I'm different because I respect my audience. I don't yell at them.
I was gonna go
and
out
especially
and
because I
play
respect
the
my audience.
game.
Shut the fuck up!
She listened to what the MC said. She might as well plug the RCA chords into her head. Taking that into consideration, at the center of creation, cats still criticize my frustration max. Well, off he goes, coming, cop some flows, cross your toes and hopes that I don't climb you like an obstacle. Mission impossible, fishing in the kitchen sink. Y'all are fall for anything, so what you think this kid'll bring? Poker face, let me hold my place. The namesake the slug. You can call me Stroker Ace. Open invitation to catch today's ejaculation all across the front of your pretty little apron. This goes to those that want a mouthful of Sean's load. Thanks for starting now, you're walking down the wrong road. Sacrifice plays a part in grabbing mics from now till the afterlife. I'll continue passion like I love this fucking war with all my heart. And ain't nobody gonna stop me from doing my part. It gave me life, it saved me life, it raised me right. So slide, shoulder slide, and please hand over that mic. Who am I? One of a kind, send them one at a time. You're all the same, only separate by kick snares and names. Some of y'all even share the same names. So fuck you and your lies, baby, show no shame. What is this? One of a kind, send them one at a time. You're all the same, only separate by kick snares and names. Some of y'all even share the same names. So fuck you and your lies, baby, show no shame. So point a finger at the sucker that's having a good summer. Ain't got no bread, no meat, no wonder, but I got a phone number to this weakness I know. Who can put me back together, make me feel whole? So take me apart, try to break me down, and spend all you got just to hate the clown. You can fake the frown, imitate the sound. Underworld, worldwide, wide world of underground. It goes one little, two little, three little indie rap. Headphones, backpack, watch them all piggyback. Switched up my styles, they all complain, but see which kids next year sound the same as me. The same shit, yesterday was like today. Only difference is I trust even less of what you say. But all in all, I still make the noise, I still break the toys, I still hate your voice, I still say fuck a major label.